Welcome to our channel. Today we how to uninstall Hotjar from your no-code product dashboard, beginner guide step by step clearly. To uninstall Hotjar from your no-code product dashboard, first, log into your product dashboard. Navigate to the settings or integrations section. Look for a list of installed integrations or services. Find Hotjar in that list. Click on the Hotjar entry to access its settings. You may see an option to remove or uninstall. Click the Uninstall or Remove button. A confirmation prompt may appear. Confirm that you would like to uninstall Hotjar. Once uninstalled, check to ensure that the Hotjar script is no longer present in your code. Inspect the code of your dashboard if necessary. Refresh your dashboard to verify the changes. Check for any lingering Hotjar-related data in your analytics. That's it. Hotjar has been successfully uninstalled from your no-code product dashboard. You can keep on developing your product without Hotjar. If needed, consider alternative tools for user tracking and feedback. Always ensure your integrations align with your current product needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.